delicious fish, chipotle chili. Add our red cabbage with our chipotle and mayo sauce. Cilantro, the lemon. Always you have to eat the taco with your hand. So you will grab like this. Then you're gonna open really big your mouth and have a big bite of it. Oishi desu. For this taco, we're gonna have the fish that it's a white fish that you can find any kind of this fish here in Japan, with Mexican beer and flour. We're gonna use this Mexican chili for make a sauce for this taco. We're gonna put this chipotle, mix it with this mayo, and when we have this dressing or sauce, we're gonna mix it with red cabbage. And we're gonna put on the top of the taco, and it will be great for the texture that it will be to our taco. This chili, we're gonna find it in cans. We're gonna have also avocado puree made with avocado, lemon, and a little bit of coriander. And for this time, we have two different kinds of tortilla dough that we're gonna mix it and have a two-color tortilla for this occasion. We're gonna make a fish tempura. So we have to put the oil to reheat it because we need it really hot to deep fry our fish. You can start with the other preparations. But in Mexico, we make this tempura a little bit different with Mexican beer. The only thing that you have to do is mix the same quantities of flour and beer to have a dough with a light texture like this. You're gonna season it with salt, a little bit of pepper, and also paprika. Now we're gonna put some salt to our fish and some pepper also. And we're gonna reserve it also. Next step is making the dressing or sauce, and then we're gonna make the salad. So for the salad, we're gonna put our mayo in a bowl, then our canned chipotle chili, and we're gonna smash it until break all the chili. I like to have a little pieces of chili on your dressing so you can feel the flavor of this chili. This chili is not very spicy. The smoky flavor that it has is very good. Then, when we have the sauce like this, we're gonna add our red cabbage and mix it. And we reserve also. Next step is for make a avocado puree. We're gonna cut it in half. And then we're gonna grab the pulp and put it out like that. I'm going to chop some coriander. I'm going to add some lemon juice, some salt, and it's very important to do with a fork because the fork will help us to make the puree. This could be also an easy guacamole because it don't have the tomato and the onion. For make this dough, you will use a corn flour, okay? You can buy it like this here in Japan, and they are in both colors, blue or white or yellow, as you want. I will show you a bicolor tortilla. You have to grab one portion of your blue dough and one portion of your white dough. Then, when you have like this, you put it together and make a ball with this. Then, I will use this tool that in Mexico, all the houses have one like this. It's a tool for make tortillas. In the middle of the tool, I will use also plastic because if you don't put plastic on it, it's gonna stick on the tool, and we don't want that. Push it softly, and then I will close and press. And then I will turn the tortilla and press a little bit again. As you see now, my tortilla has two colors. Take out the plastic. So I will put my tortilla on my pan. My pan must be hot. I will wait here like 15 seconds, more or less. And when my tortilla don't stick anymore on my pan, I can turn it up. Now it's time to turn up. After 1 minute, I will turn it up again. And if you make a good tortilla, it has to flop as my tortilla. Then have our tortilla. And in Mexico, we have this kind of utensils that we call tortillero, where you can keep your tortillas hot. We're going to back to our fish to have our taco. We're gonna fry it in our hot oil. I will cover our fish and I will put on the oil. You can add. Take out from the oil. And also you can hear how crispy it is. We're gonna put our tortilla, then we're gonna put our avocado puree, then our crispy and delicious fish, and on the top we're gonna put our salad with our chipotle and mayo sauce. You can serve with a little bit of cilantro or coriander.